Hello everybody. So this might look familiar, but yes, like I said in the last one, I am filming a few videos to get them edited and up in time for you to potentially do some Christmas shopping. If you exchange gifts at Christmas, if you just want to buy some things for yourself at this time of year, these should still be available. So I wanted to get them filmed and up as quickly as possible. But yeah, if you want to know a little bit more about what's happening, check out the last video. I explain a little bit about what's going on or what happened in my life. But let's get into this haul. This one is Bath & Body Works. Now, you may be surprised considering my previous videos from when I go overseas and I stock up on candles. I have not bought any Bath & Body Works candles in Australia because they are crazy expensive, and compared to some of the other candles that I buy, sure, they may be comparable price wise, but I just can't bring myself to pay that much for a Bath & Body Works candle. I can't quite remember how much it is off the top of my head, so I'll put the price up here, about how much they charge. Even when they're on sale, they're still really expensive. And it's nothing like the sales in Hawaii or the USA where I could pick up candles. I think some of them are like $10 for the bigger size candles, which is like crazy. Here, no, nothing like that. They're really expensive. So my next haul will be a candle haul, but it was from like a VIP sale night, so I'll go into that in a bit more detail. So if you are looking for candles, stay tuned for the next video. It will go through some different brands, but this one is Bath & Body Works. No candles, unlike me, but that's why I just can't. Plus I've still got a whole heap that I'm burning through from my travels to the States. All right, so the first two things are kind of perfumey, and I hadn't seen these before. They piqued my interest and I thought, why not give them a go? It's the Aromatherapy Essential Oil Roll-On, and I bought 2 scents. This is the Relaxation, Lavender, Mint and Tea. When I read lavender, I'm like, ooh, nice. Mint, nice. Tea, yes, yes. Love tea. I want to see tea in more things. I love tea as a scent, and I am very interested to see what these smell like. I haven't smelled them yet, but I will. The next one was Invigoration, which is rose, tangerine and tea, and it sounds beautiful. So I thought, why not give them a go? If you've tried any of their aromatherapy stuff, please let me know how you found it. I'm hoping that the tea scent does stick out, because that's what I'm here for. Also, there's a few things that I purchased from Bath & Body Works that I won't be showing because they are gifts. These are probably for me. That's why I'm showing them. But their Christmas range is out now. So candy apple stuff, you won't be seeing that. Somebody might, maybe at Christmas time though. The next are 2 hand soaps. So it's a gentle gel hand soap in both cases. The first is Fresh Sparkling Snow. Now this is Icy Melon, Holiday Pear and Falling Snow. I had a candle in this scent and I quite enjoyed it, so I thought it might be fun to give their hand soaps a go. I've never tried their hand soaps before, but why not? I like their body wash. I still do use their body washes. Really like them. So this hand soap is in rose water and ivy. I've got a candle in this too, and that's why I picked this up, because I really like that scent. Again, rose water, that floral rosy note. It just says rose water and ivy. Is what that one smells like, but I thought these were quite pretty as well. I've got a really small sink in our toilet room, so these actually have quite a small footprint as far as the base goes. so they would actually fit on the sink, which I like because a lot of bottles don't. The next is also something that I've never tried before, and I didn't necessarily get it for its intended purpose. It was more the aroma profile intrigued me. So this is another aromatherapy. It's Love by Bath & Body Works Cacao and Rose Body Massage Oil with shea butter and argan oil. So it's really oily. Something had leaked, but I think it was actually one of the hand soaps. I at first thought it was going to be this, but cacao and rose just sounded amazing, and I probably won't use it as a massage oil as such, but more like a body oil, I guess. I am going to smell this one because it's easier to smell. You know when you smell something and there's just this wave of nostalgia comes over you? I got that from this. It's sort of effervescent, like creaming soda, like the Kirk's creaming soda. A bit more floral notes to it. I think that's what I'm remembering. Quite nice. That is quite nice. I do like that, but not as chocolatey, at least when I'm sniffing it. When it's applied, who knows what it's going to smell like, but that actually smells really nice. If you like creaming soda, the ones in the pink cans, then you might like the smell of that. The next 4 products are some sprays. So these are the concentrated room sprays. And it's a bit strange because here in Australia at Christmas time, it's summer, so it's really hot, but we still get all of the winter inspired Christmas scents from a lot of companies, because that's just what's popular at Christmas time, I guess. So it doesn't really suit the time of year, but I still like the fragrances anyway, and I kind of just use them at any time of year. So this is Sweater Weather, is the first one. The next one I picked up was Eucalyptus Rain. The third is White Tea and Sage, yet another tea. But I thought that sounded interesting. I also really like the simplicity of the packaging on some of these. It's really pretty. And again, rose water and ivy. Really like the simplicity. Just, it's soft and floral and just beautiful. Really like the scent. So that's the 4th one. And lastly, I bought a whole bunch of hand creams. I like the hand cream because it's in these small sizes that I can just pop in my handbag, and I find that if I can do that, I will tend to use it more frequently. So there's one that I've tried before and I really enjoyed, so I bought a backup of that, and it's the shea butter hand cream here. It kind of has an almost almondy type scent to it, but I really like that one. The next one, and I don't think I've tried any of the other ones, but the next one is Paraffin Hand, Nail and Cuticle. Next is Hot Cocoa and Cream. Doesn't that sound delicious? So yes. Strawberry Pound Cake. I know this is a really popular candle for a lot of people, and they did have it, I think, but again, just couldn't do it. The next one is the Whipped Hand Cream. Then Vanilla Buttercream, again, foodie scents. I think sometimes in a fragrance it can be really overwhelming to have really foodie smelling perfumes, really sweet, sickly sweet stuff. But I think you can get away with it more in a hand cream. So I tend to go for that. And the last one is Winter Candy Apple, which I really enjoy this scent, and hopefully somebody else might at Christmas as well. So that is it for my Bath & Body Works Christmas themed haul. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you've purchased anything from Bath & Body Works, please let me know what your favourites are. If you have any recommendations, I'd love to hear them below. If you've got any questions, please feel free to leave them below too. But that's it for now. I hope you're all having a fantastic afternoon, morning or evening, whatever it may be, wherever you are. And I'll see you all very soon in my next video. Bye for now.